Hey guys, today we shall discuss Stoichiometry Part 1. In this lesson, we are going to look at relative atomic mass and relative molecular or formular mass. Relative atomic mass is the average mass of isotopes of an element compared to an atom of carbon-12. It is given on the periodic table. For example, if you look at this element, sodium, 23 is the relative atomic mass. Na is the nucleon symbol. 11 is the proton number. Now, in this lesson, we are interested in relative atomic mass. The symbol of relative atomic mass is Ar subscript. Relative molecular mass or formula mass is the sum of all relative atomic masses of atoms present in a compound or a molecule. Example, find the relative formula mass of calcium carbonate. If you look at this compound, we have 3 atoms of oxygen. So it's going to be 3 times the relative atomic mass of oxygen, which happens to be 16. And this gives us 48. And we have 1 carbon atom times the relative atomic mass of carbon, which is 12. So 1 times 12 is equal to 12. And also in this compound we have 1 calcium atom times the relative atomic mass of calcium is 40. So 1 times 40 gives us 40. So if you add these masses, it's going to give us 100 grams. So the relative formula mass of calcium carbonate is 100 grams. The relative formula mass of magnesium hydroxide. So if you look at this compound, we have 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2 times the relative atomic mass of hydrogen, giving us 2. And we have 2 oxygen atoms, so 2 times 16, which happens to be the relative atomic mass of oxygen, so giving us 32. The number of atoms of magnesium in this compound is 1. So 1 times 24, which happens to be the relative atomic mass of magnesium, so giving us 24. So 2 plus 32 plus 24 is giving us 58 grams. Another example, let us find the relative formula mass of ammonium sulfate. So in this compound we have 4 oxygen atoms, so it's going to be 4 times 16, which is the relative atomic mass of oxygen, so which is giving us 64. And we have 1 sulfur atom, so 1 multiplied by 32, which is going to give us 32. 32 is the relative atomic mass of sulfur. And we have 2 times 4 hydrogen atoms, so which is going to be 8 hydrogen atoms. So 8 multiplied by the relative atomic mass of hydrogen, which is 1. So it is giving us 8. And in this compound we also have 2 nitrogen atoms, because of the 2 outside the bracket is affecting the 2 elements in the bracket. So in this case we have 2 nitrogen atoms, so 2 multiplied by 14, which happens to be the relative atomic mass of nitrogen. So 2 times 14 is giving us 28. If we add 64, 32, 8 and 28, is giving us 132. I hope you enjoyed. In the next video we are going to discuss the reacting masses. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. See you next time.